So I have been taking pictures and I forgot to show to you. GoPro, take photo. Ayaw.
GoPro, take photo.
Yan, naka-video tayo. Dito.
Malamig po ang salamin.
Oh, sindihan mo na, tapos...
Ay,
ano ka ba?
hawakan mo. Ako.
Huwag, mapapasok ka dyan.
Paano? Tanggalin mo muna. Sige, tanggalin mo na muna.
Tungas ko. Okay, we got our tickets now. Here it is. It would cost 8,000 for adults, and for kids it would be 4,000 Korean won. 8,000 is around 400 pesos. This ticket already includes the boat ride that would take you to Nami Island, and of course back and forth na yan, and the entrance to the island itself. We are now at the boat. It will only take us around less than 10 minutes for us to reach Nami Island. We just arrived Nami Island. Ganda ng sanay dito. The weather is not so cold here. Medyo okay lang. Ang bubungad sa pagdating mo dito is this very beautiful ice sculpture. Pagbaba nyo ng boat, sa left side lang yung snow, and then as you go inside, meron siyang parang arc, which is the entrance for the Nami Island. And it's nice that it's not that cold today. Sa city kasi kanina, siguro dahil medyo maaga pa, kasi negative kami. Now it's just 3 or 4 degrees centigrade. Sakto lang yung lamig niya. Just near the entrance, meron talaga mga cute statue over here that you can see there. Lakad muna kami ulit doon kasi nandun yung mga medyo magandang mga puno. And wala naman na masyadong dahon yung iba kasi winter na, so nalagas na yon. So we are now walking towards the inner part of the park. The first very nice view you would see is yung nakahilera yung mga puno. Nakahilera sila. Tapos may parang mga white balloons. At night, these white balloons are being lit. May ilaw siya. May ilaw. So, this is what I'm talking about. So I've been taking pictures and I forgot to show to you. Aray ko, shit. Dulas pa ako. I forgot to show to you the... Shit, ang dulas, sakit. Hindi kasi snow boots ang dala ko eh. So, it's not... Wait, may nag-photo. Yan. Grace, ano na? Lakad tayo doon. Yan, gumawa ng snowman si Nate. As you can see at the background, may mga konti pang autumn leaves, pero most of the trees lagas na yung mga puno, wala na talaga siyang dahon, or kung meron man, tuyot na siya. Currently, dito po tayo sa spot kung saan sinut yung Winter Sonata na Korean novela. There you go. Dito yan siya. And of course, maraming photo op na nangyayari dito. So, kamusta?
Good.
Good lang? May tatlong bibe akong nakita, mataba, mapayat mga bibe.
Talaga yan?
Ngunit when you look at this, yung parang mini lake nila, it's now frozen. It's already past 3 p.m. and we decided to go back to the city. Actually, the forecast later is it's going to snow here at around 5 p.m. So we are going back to the entrance. We'll wait for the boat that will ferry us back to the main island, and we'll take the subway again, or taxi first to Gapyeong, and then Gapyeong to our place at Chongburo. Hi guys, so we're now here at YongBae and we are eating here at... Saan tayo? I don't know the name of the restaurant. I ordered a spaghetti, an American food, and tteokbokki. It's fried rice cake. It is a little spicy. So I'm gonna show to you later kung ano yung tsura ng order namin. This cake or odeng, medyo spicy na siya. This one is a tteokbokki or rice cake. So Nathan and I are here at ito the house. Ano Nathan? Ano masabi mo? Hi lang, hi lang. Anyway, we are here at Yongdong. Yongdong is known for its cosmetic products and the street foods that they sell here. What else you can find here? Magnets, right? Souvenirs and bags. Sabi nga ni Nathan, you can find bags over here. And a lot of food, different kinds of food. Kakaiba yung mga food dito.